Right, so I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the private call mode on your JBL Tour Pro 3s. So simply launch the app, and then you want to go and tap on audio. And then under audio, if you scroll down, you should see the private call mode, and you want to go ahead and enable that option. And then also you can customize the microphone. Just tap on that little arrow, and you can put the earbuds in your ears and just try and test. And of course, you have to give the the app access to your microphone. So let's go here and find the microphone, and you're gonna have to enable that. And then you can go back to the app, and it's gonna restart the app. Let's give it a moment. There you go. So let's go back to that setting, customize microphone, and then now you can start the microphone customization. Now, basically what happens is when you receive a call, instead of shouting so that the other person on the other side can hear what you're saying, you can take one earbud out of your ear, put it close to your mouth, and use it like a microphone. And then you can listen to using the other earbud, right? So that is basically how to use the private call mode. Now, of course, you can disable it at any time by turning it off from here. Okay. Thanks for watching and good luck.